the officials elected by the farmers, be it in the coffee sector, be it in the milk sector, and they have not been able to be accountable for the farmers' money. Those officials, we are going to surcharge them, and they are going to be arrested, and we will make them pay the farmers their money. We have a hawker, an Indian hawker, who is hawking milk directly from the farmers without a county license. My message to that investor is that you have two options: buy milk from the cooperatives directly and not from the farmers,